What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing the most high quality storm chasing game I've ever seen in Grab. We're driving in. No, why did I just throw? I was grabbed on. No, I fell. Grab on. Why is it not? Let me get on. Grab on the door. Grab on the.
Wait! There's somebody right above us!
Oh shoot! Oh my God! This is a move, bro. Move. Keep going. Do it. Move. This is not a good spot, bro. Move.
Okay, you just grabbed me. I am about to die. I fell into El Grab. It pulled me back up.